Need water damage restoration in Federal Way? National Restoration Construction is ready to help you right now. National Restoration Construction offers 24/7 emergency response in Federal Way. Crews answer day and night, every day. Our IICRC certified technicians use professional-grade equipment to handle water damage restoration the right way. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NATIICRC 792M6. And insured, so Federal Way homeowners can trust us completely. From soaked floors to structural water damage, National Restoration Construction restores Federal Way homes fast and thoroughly. Call National Restoration Construction now for a free estimate. Federal Way's trusted water damage restoration team, 206-883-0333.